Got doggone Love Stone, man. One of the biggest brands in the city right now, no cap, from Savannah, Georgia.
Doing clothes.
Just going on the third year right now though. Third year, I just opened up my first store back in June on East Montgomery Crossroad, like close by the mall. Yeah, so ups and downs with everything. You feel me? That's just life. You gotta enjoy the moments too, though. So that's the biggest thing with it.
Let them know what this is. What's the name of the brand?
Mine, Love Stone, right here. Jaelen, you saying what? Introduce your brand and stuff.
Shit, my shit called Eyes Wide Shut. You know, I got hoodies right now, but finna come out with shirts and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, you go wrong. Get started with the clothes.
My sisters. Yeah.
How long you been doing it for?
Just started, so like maybe 2 months.
How you came up with the name Eyes Wide Shut?
Me and my sister came up with it.
You trying to take it? You from Savannah?
Yeah, no, I'm from Savannah, but I live in Atlanta.
Oh, you live in Atlanta?
Yeah. Instagram, eyeswashupmerch.com.